In this video, we're going to be going over testing a electric fire pump that does not have an external display on the controller that displays the voltage and amperage. So what we're going to do is going to go to the annual questions under this bubble here. We'll scroll down to the annual questions and you'll see the very first question is there an external means to view and record the amps and voltage readings? We answer that question no, and automatically in your inspection results summary it's going to say NA for not applicable, along with a note as to why we didn't test those voltages and amperage. So what we're going to do also is go back to our annual flow test questions, and you'll see that on every one of these I went to the voltage and put down NA for each one of them. Now if you don't have any voltage and you've never ever entered anything in there, you can just leave those spots blank. It'll have the same results. But because I've answered these before, I had to put down NA for mine. Now I'm going to go back to the 50%, and you'll see the same thing. I answered NA for all those voltage questions, and the same thing at 100% NA. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our report. Let's take a look at the report. We're going to preview that report. And the very first thing we'll notice is here on that question, is there an external means to view and record the amps and voltage readings? And it comes on with a note. Due to the arc flash potential and an energized electrical fire pump controller, the NFPA issued a tentative interim amendment. It sends a TIA number to NFPA 25/2017 that limits the need to take voltage and amperage readings to those conditions where the readings can be taken without opening the electrical fire pump controller. That's our very first indication of why we didn't test it, but we need that really close to here. You'll see that here's our voltage and amperages are all at 0, and we're going to scroll down to our inspection results summary. The amps and volts both say NA within rated specs, along with the note directly below that says due to the arc flash potential, the same note that was up above. And that's it really for testing without a external display.